A cook group is a term in the sneakerhead community that refers to a collection of individuals or group chats typically held on Discord, led by experts and moderators that have access to tools and insider information to maximize their profits. The purpose of a cook group is to help sneakerheads in copping sneakers become better resellers and improve botting performance. The largest draw to joining a cook group is that purchasing a membership is viewed as an investment. Rather than wasting time or money, your membership is an investment to ensure you get the items you want promptly. In the end, you spend a lot less than you would have paying resell, and you will learn a lot of valuable information in the process. Usually, you make your money back right away after joining a cook group, and will even profit. The more effort you put in, the more you get out. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our cook group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our cook group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. Benefits of joining a cook group. Before you take any step in the sneaker industry, you gotta do some research. But then again, that's why you should join cook groups like BrickRadar, so that other people research for you. Pretty simple. The cook group you decide to join depends on the level of service you're seeking as a sneakerhead or reseller. 1. Release guides. One of the main functions of a cook group is to provide release guides on any limited sneaker release. These guides tend to be both manual and bot-friendly, so it does not matter if you are starting without a sneaker bot. They include accurate lists of release sites, early links, and raffles that you can enter. 2. Partnerships, discounts, giveaways, and group buys. Sneakerheads who like to run their bots on every release will love some bots now and then. Cook groups have a lot to offer, including exclusive access to bots, discounts on proxies, and even sneakers. 3. Sneaker monitors. A good cook group usually comes equipped with blazing fast monitors. They are always monitoring different sneaker sites for highly coveted items. Not only that, but the monitor also has an Add to Cart link. This adds the item to the cart for you so you can proceed with the checkout process. 4. Flip anything, not just sneakers. Being in a cook group for sneakerheads doesn't strictly mean it's all about sneakers. Cook group members may expand beyond the sneaker industry. Cook groups have even been getting into tech-related flips such as PS5s and NVIDIA graphic cards. If there is money to be made flipping an item, we're on it. If it has selling potential, why the hell not? 5. Bot flips. One thing you will notice when joining a cook group is that members flip anything, even sneaker bots. Some bots are harder to buy and have a limited user base. Cook groups will let you know when a particular sneaker bot may be underpriced or overpriced. They will also let you know what the best price would be to buy or sell a bot. 6. ACO services. If you've been around the sneaker game for some time, you know that some releases are close to impossible to touch. Supreme BOGOs, Yeezy Reflectives, and AJ1s are all examples of releases where you may end up leaving the release empty-handed. This is why one of the best features a cook group can offer you is an auto checkout service, commonly known as ACO or slots. In short, it allows experienced botters to cop items on your behalf. Now that we listed all of these benefits, will a sneaker cook group make your life easier, especially on drop day? Of course. Cook groups might in fact be your ticket to epic sneaker copping. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out which sneakers are good brick flips can be very easy, as you always get notified when to buy which shoe and when it is the right time to sell for maximum profits. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.